Hello guys, welcome back. I am Tayyab and today we discuss about top 10 health insurance and managed healthcare companies around the world, USA and Europe. There is a lot of companies who provide health insurance and health cares. There is a number one United Healthcare known as UNH. The market capitalization is $393 billion. Number two, CVS, known as CVS, market capitalization is $106 billion. Anthem, known as ANTM, and market worth is $96 billion. Number four is Cigna, known as CI, market capitalization is $80 billion. Number 5 is Humana, known as HUM, market value is $59 billion. Number 6, Centene Corporation, known as CNC, market capitalization is $43 billion. Number 7, Molina Healthcare, known as MOH, $15 billion. Number 7, Bright Health Group, BHG, market capitalization is $9.7 billion. Number 9, MultiPlan Corporation, known as MPLN, market capitalization is $4.7 billion. Alignment Healthcare, known as ALHC, market capitalization is $4.2 billion. All these data, market cap data as of 15 July 2021. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.